Hello guys and welcome to a new episode of Leisure Levy in Tenerife. This time we are visiting one of the best water parks in the world. As they say, we're visiting Siam Park. Dostan, you've never done a slide over here, right?
No,
it's
I
first
don't.
time. Okay, so we're gonna do a water roller coaster, basically a water coaster. And do you have any idea what it is?
No.
No idea?
You don't you?
Well, those things are really awesome. You're gonna check and find it out right now. Here we go, Fogo!
Je moet er wat voor aan elkaar zetten.
The second slide of the day. Oh, did you like it? The surprise from the second drop was crazy. And that cone, whoa, fuck man. I'm screaming my heart out. So right now we're gonna move places because we saw a much better one, much closer to the best slides. And Stan, which one did you like the most?
Everyone.
every slide.
Everybody.
There's also a great theming around in this park, which you don't expect in any other water parks. So that's a really good plus, I think. It's much more immersive. Yeah! Got my nephew with us. He's almost 2 years old. Hi, Tommy. There we go. based on trail rides and all different sizes of trail slides. So keep in mind, if you visit this when you're like a teenager and an adult, they can easily ride and slide everything, right?
Yes, yeah.
It's not that good if you visit this with really small children, like toddlers. So guys, that was it for today. If you liked this video, leave a thumbs up behind, leave maybe a comment behind in the comment section. And if you really dig it, please subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. This was Leisure Levy, over and out.